What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing Cookie Monster from Sesame Street. Let's begin today's lesson at the very top of our page with the eyes. We'll start on the top right and draw in a circle. Starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now you want to draw that same size circle tucked in on the left side. So we'll start on the top left, go all the way around, come down, and just pull that in. Now in the center of the left eye, we're going to draw a small circle for the pupil, and then we'll fill that in black. And we'll place the right pupil along the top left side. So we'll draw that same size circle, and then we'll fill that in black. Now from here we're going to move down and draw some fur across the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Let's curve this down and out toward the left. Go back to the center, come down and out towards the right. Now you want to add a point along the bottom of the fur by curving this up and in with a short line. Now I'm going to work our way out towards the corners of the mouth. Starting back on the left, bend this down and then out. And then again, adding that point with a short curve. Now from here, we're just going to bend the mouth going out and up towards the corners of the mouth. And then we'll add a bracket on the ends. Now let's open up the mouth. Starting on the left side, and curve this down, bring that in towards the middle, round out the mouth, and go back up on the right. Let's add some cookie crumbs inside the mouth. Starting from the top, draw a small circle, add a slightly larger one on the bottom left, and then another one on the right. Now I want to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth in black going around those crumbs. Now with the mouth in place, let's move back up and draw the side of the head. We'll start from the left side of the eye, bend the head coming down, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a point of fur, coming back in with a short line, and curve the hair going out and then down. Let's add another point with a small curve. Now I want to work our way down towards the bottom of the chin. Back on the left, come down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Again, adding that point. Add another small curve coming down and in. Now from here we're going to draw the side of the neck blending in towards the arm. Let's start over on the left side, come down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add that small point. Now to curve around the elbow, going out and then in. And then again, just adding that small point on the end. Now I'm going to bring the hands in towards the center. Starting back on the left, come down, and then up. Let's add in the bottom finger, bringing this out and then up towards the side. Now on the left, we're going to step across, come in, and then up. Let's curve the top of the second finger going out. Let's add one more finger, in, and bend the hand going out and then up. Let's place the cookie in behind the arms with the bite taken out along the top. So from the end of the arm, we're going to step in, curve up and in on both sides. I'm going to break off the top. Going down and up. Add another tooth mark. And do that one more time. Now from the side of the cookie, let's draw the top of the arm, going up and then down. Let's add a few more crumbs coming down from the mouth on top of the cookie. Add a circle on the top left, and one more on the right. Let's draw the bottom of the cookie, starting on the left side. Come down, across, and then up. And then we'll add some chocolate chips on the inside, these small circles. Now just underneath the cookie, we're going to add a curve coming down and then up across the bottom edge of the body. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now let's curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up. From the outside of the foot, curve this up. Now we're going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And we'll separate the toes. On the left side, step in, bend this up and in, step in, and draw them again. Now let's go back up and draw the outside of the leg. We'll start underneath the arm on the left, come around and then in. Let's add that point of fur going up. I'm just going to tuck the leg in behind the feet on both sides. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a Cookie Monster from Sesame Street. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.